Happy summer, you guys. I have been so excited for summer weather. I'm sure you have too. And you know what a new season means. That means it's time to build a new wardrobe. Right? Obviously. Yes, I do have a lot of summer sewing projects that I want to get into, and we are going to start that today. I want to buy some things, I want to sew some things. I just want to get into the summer vibes. Also, clearly my style, like, I don't know what's going on. I'm very happy princess romantic these days, which is far different than this time last year. So, changes have been happening in my life. So I have really been excited about linen lately. I feel like nothing says summer like a flowy linen outfit. Your dress blowing in the cool breeze. I don't know where I'm going with that. But why is linen so fabulous for the summer? Well, I'm glad you asked. Here are some linen pieces that I made myself. Linen, obviously, she's a natural fiber. We love her. It has excellent breathability, moisture wicking properties, and a natural cooling effect that make it so great for the summer. I want to build a little capsule wardrobe today. I have some sketches that I've been working on that I want to show you, and I will be sewing a little linen set in this video. The last linen thing I made was actually the square neck V-waist dress, which is literally my best selling, I think #1 best selling pattern on Etsy. Hopefully I can get some of that good luck today, and you'll like what I make. This is also linen. I made her a few years ago. Comment if you remember me making this. If you do, girl, you're OG. This one I think is a linen blend. But the place where I got these, the place where I bought this fabric, yeah, she no longer exists. So where are we getting our fabric these days? We are buying from Etsy. I bought all of the fabric for today's sewing project as well as notions from Etsy. And I also decided to buy some timeless linen pieces to add to my linen capsule wardrobe as well. I wanted to have some like standalone pieces as well as some pieces that I could mix and match with the set that I make today. So thank you so much to Etsy for sponsoring today's video. Everything that you see in this haul will be linked down below. So first off, I need to show you guys the gorgeous linen pieces I bought from the seller Omelian Natural. Look at these! I'm gonna insert some clips of me wearing them while I talk about them because they fit perfectly. First of all, after I purchased these items, the seller messaged me and asked me for my bust, waist, and hip measurements to customize them to my measurements. They fit like a glove! Are you kidding? Look at this! That's insane! I couldn't have made it better myself. Also, like, it's so professionally done. Hand-tied darts, blind hem, the facing, the understitching everywhere. This green dress, I don't know where I'm gonna wear her yet. Perhaps a wedding. Let me know where I can wear this because she's gorgeous. I'll wear it to Harris Teeter, honestly. I'll wear it to the grocery store. I don't care, she's beautiful. I will be seen in her, whether the world likes it or not. This is the color palette I'm going with for my capsule wardrobe. So after buying these, I was like, what colors would look great, mix and match, especially with the cream? I was like, let me get a little print going on here. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Oh, it came with buttons. The freak. Are you kidding? Free buttons, and they're wooden, which matches the wooden buttons on the shirt. Here is the fabric. Oh my goodness, look at the little flowers. The flowers are yellow, the back is cream. Obviously, oh, it's more white than this, but I do think it's a very pretty mix and match. And then there's green on the flowers to pull out the green from this dress so we can truly have a cohesive wardrobe. This seller also had the option to pre-wash the linen. So this linen is already washed. I don't have to wash it. Amazing. And then I ordered some solid linen to go with this. Hopefully they match, and they do! Oh, I love it when you buy fabric online and it works out perfectly. Sometimes it's scary. Look how perfectly these match. Okay, I'm getting really excited. I'm getting jazzed up, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, what else? What else? I got 3 more things. Ooh, the lace. Okay, do not sleep on Etsy for notions and trims. I actually get literally all of my lace from Etsy. Quick shout out to Mary Supplies for her elastic lace. I didn't order anything from her this time, but I have a whole collection of stuff from her. This time I ordered from Petite Coco Crafts. I got this beautiful lace trim. Oh, how dainty and sweet. And like, it's so affordable. I'll insert the price on the screen because girl, I'm not used to lace being this affordable. I got the sweetest buttons. Look at these. Oh, it's this like iridescent, sparkly flower with a shank. Oh, they're so precious. I haven't finalized my design quite yet, so I kind of forgot I was getting the trim and these buttons. So, oh my God, I'm gonna have so much fun sketching. Last thing, I got some accessories. Well, just one, but two of them. They are these linen barrettes. I got two of the same one, so I could put them on either side of my head. Maybe I should have gotten two different ones, but I wanted to wear two at the same time. And so I gotta get the same one, but look at this. Beautiful craftsmanship. Oh, no. Etsy, I love you guys. You are one of my favorite brands to work with because I obviously really do love you guys so much. And if you guys didn't know, I am also an Etsy seller as well. I will link my own store down below. That's where I sell the patterns to all of my designs. All right, well, let's go make a garment. Hello, we snapped our fingers and here is the prototype. How did I do that so fast, you ask? I didn't. Bella sewed it for me. Everyone give her a round of applause. Woo! Oh, she giving herself one too. You might be thinking, girl, that's a cute top. That doesn't look like a prototype. I felt pretty confident in my draping skills. Whenever I drape something, it turns out pretty perfect. So I just was like, Bells, will you use this cute fabric? Because I know it's gonna turn out well and I can just line it later and then have a cute little top. Maybe, perhaps, mayhaps for the 4th of July or something. So prototype, it's good. It looks like the sketch. Oh, let me bring it in, show you the gorgeous contrast of the stripes. Hello. The straps are gonna go like this. I had her make them longer than expected, just in case. Cute, right? The only thing is I don't know if we want it to be like straight in the back, the straps, or crossed, like so. I don't know. I'm not gonna finish this right now because it's just the prototype. I'm gonna go into my linen fabric from Etsy. So let me know what you like better, because if you don't like what I do with my linen top, we can switch the straps for this top. So time to cut into our linen fabric. We're trying to figure out what to make the contrasting band at the top. And originally I was gonna do the cream, but it's like, it doesn't match perfectly. But the yellow is really pretty. I just don't think I would wear that as much. But we think the yellow is like a prettier design. Like that's more impactful than this is, but this is more, I think we have to do the yellow.
I think so.
And then we can use this as the skirt lining.
It is a really pretty color though.
It's gorgeous. Okay, I've been sewing for 50 minutes. Look how much I've already gotten done. I'm proud of myself, look. The whole shell and the zipper. Zipper is in, which, I mean, even if you're good at doing zippers, I always dread doing the zipper just because I know it's gonna take a little bit. But yes, look, how cute. I think it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go have lunch and we will continue. I would like to finish this all today. Last scene. 3:30. We started at 11:30 and I had lunch for an hour. So 3 hours, girls, to fully sew this top. Oh, pretty darn good. And now it's time to do the skirt. Hopefully, like, we're moving so fast today, maybe we can even get the skirt done and the whole set gets done today. Okay, this is the pattern for the skirt for the shell. If you guys are familiar with my gathered skirt pattern, that one's gathered at a 4x ratio. I kind of just like snipped that in half and shortened it. And now it's a 2x ratio. For mini skirts, I'm gonna use the lining from that pattern as well. Just cut to a mini skirt pattern. And this is what we got. So same fabric, this gorgeous pretty linen for the shell. And then I'm gonna use that same cream linen for the lining. So let me sew the side seams and we can do some gathers. Oh my God, I'm moving so fast. I just need to stitch in the ditch and then hem. Guys, I'm on a roll. Just sewed the zipper in with the lining. Hooray! 5:17. This is insane. Fully done. Hems done. Finishing's beautiful. I can't believe I finished this that fast. I will say, I do want to add one little thing. Remember this gorgeous trim? Unfortunately, we do have to add it. Like, she is cute. She's giving grandma chic summer, but I want it to be even more, like aggressively grandma. So I think along the neckline would be pretty. Yeah, it's so cute. Okay, let's do it. I finished. I can't believe it. It's almost 7 o'clock. What an accomplishment for the day. Let me show. Gorgeous. I love the lace. So cute. I had to add some more yellow because the yellow seemed kind of random just up there. So a little bow. I also had enough lace to go around the hem here. I wish I had enough for the hem of the skirt. There wasn't enough. I barely had enough to do all the lace I did there. But it's so cute. Yes, grandma chic. Oh my goodness. All that there's left to do is to try it on. I have not tried it on yet. Rip. I'm sure it will fit. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna try her on with my new linen wardrobe and cue the montage, I guess. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so that is the video. I hope you guys love my look and that you like my new little linen wardrobe. Oh, here goes Hutch. Say goodbye. Hutch says goodbye. I can already smell the, will this be a new pattern comments? And the answer is maybe. It depends. If you like it, let me know. If you want to ask a pattern, let me know and I'll see what I can do. But yeah, I love you guys. Again, thank you so much to Etsy for sponsoring this video. And if you guys like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up because it's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow my Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonollo. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.